White quartz, also known as milky quartz, is one of the most common and valued crystals due to its ability to balance energy and provide mental clarity. This crystal is characterized by its translucent appearance and opaque white tone, making it ideal for meditation and spiritual connection. It is known as a stone of harmony and amplification, as it enhances the energy of other crystals placed beside it. Spiritual and energetic properties. White quartz is considered a purifying crystal. It is used to cleanse and align the chakras, removing energetic blockages that hinder the natural flow of energy. It is excellent for those seeking clarity during confusing times or needing to make important decisions. As a natural energy amplifier, it helps enhance intentions during rituals or healing sessions, fostering a deep connection with the inner self. Additionally, it is said to improve concentration and focus, making it ideal for students, creative professionals, and meditators. Emotional benefits. This quartz promotes emotional calm and reduces stress, making it the perfect ally for those seeking emotional balance during challenging moments. It facilitates acceptance and understanding, promoting inner peace. Emotionally, it is also believed to heal old traumas and release negative energies. For this reason, white quartz is often used in emotional healing therapies and techniques such as EFT, emotional freedom techniques. Daily use. Placing white quartz at home or in the office helps maintain a harmonious atmosphere, attracting positive vibrations. It is also recommended to carry it as a personal amulet to stay centered and protected throughout the day. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming content on healing, wellness, and the energy of crystals. Leave a comment below and tell us what your favorite crystal is.